Once we articulate a problem statement in a systematic way, our 50% task is over. We came to know that which thing we need to do and which thing we need not to do.
We really had to open our minds. Like we had to step out of our comfort zone. That was the first thing that was told to us. Stop the filters that we were putting in our lives.
If you consider any department, if you consider any subject, you need this design thinking approach.
When I'll go back to NMIMS, I'll try to make my class more interactive.
One of my students is an intern over here. He had a project related to reinforcement learning. Previously, he didn't know anything about AI, ML or robotics. He had a very limited time of 7 weeks, but what he was able to implement in those 7 weeks, sometimes students take around half a year to implement the same thing or even more. And that's why I was very surprised and proud of the fact that after joining eYantra as an intern over there, he got a huge learning curve. Here the students have a very good mindset. They are very inclined towards learning new things, not just whatever's there already.
Faculties is a very important stakeholder in the education system. If one single faculty is motivated, if one single faculty wanted to do something different, that faculty can motivate thousands of students. So if you touch to the life of so many students, can we imagine how many good engineers we can take out of the college? Just because of the academic students are not going to get the job in the market. Their skill set, their problem solving capacity, their creativity, how much of the innovation they have, this is all going to be help, and the student will learn all these things when they participate in the competition like eYantra only.
So in my college from last 9 years, many students has been trained in eYantra lab in the domain of embedded system, then robotics, machine learning, computer vision and many more. Now they have started thinking about the products, patent, papers as well. Recently we got the grant from MSME for the project which we have presented in eYantra competition. Moreover, I got 2 patents from the projects which I have been presented in eYantra idea competition.
6 patents we filled till today, whatever the projects we have done in the eYantra. Students have got lot of confidence in them. As of now, they are at very good position in the market. They got very good job. Whenever we think about the eYantra lab, only the research and all these things comes in our mind first. This is now a kind of a identity about the eYantra lab in the college. eYantra means doing something new.